Hey, is how to permanently delete your Twitch account. So you should open any browser. It can be Chrome or Safari or another browser that you used to. I use Chrome, for example. So when you open browser, you should go to search and of course enter these specific uh, words. If you use on your phone device, you should tap amp.twitch.tv/user delete and account. If you use this on your computer, you should delete dot and m. So when you enter this all site, just tap on go. Here you will see your username and you can tell us why you are deleting your account if you want it, and simply tap on and delete, and it will delete your Twitch account.